Hello, I had a student with the question, how do I change the material for this to get all the measurements for our mass property analysis? So there are some instructions. They're a little hard to get through. But what you do is you have one of your parts that you made for the assignment, and there's a couple different things. So first thing we want to do is look at the assignment and figure out what material we want to change it to. I remember one of them was like aluminum 6061, I believe, and one was stainless steel. And so here's how you do that. So this is the first step. You come over to the browser here, this part, and you go to the very bottom where it says part 1, and you right click, and it opens up this menu. You choose assign material. Click on that. And then right now it says there's none material. So when you click on this, it gives you a whole bunch of a list, and everything from the assignment should be on this list somewhere. So here's some aluminum 6061. You click on that and you say, okay. So now it thinks that this part is aluminum 6061. It didn't really change appearance at all. Doesn't really matter. What you did was you took all the properties of that material and have assigned it to this part. Now, how do you find all the stuff? The volume, the surface area, the mass. Way down here in the other corner is little scales, and you can click on that and it opens this up, and you want to, let's see, click on the part itself. So that's what it's asking, like what part do you want? So you click on the part. You could do it in the browser. You could actually click on the part over here, and then it starts giving you this information. So it's 3.37 pounds. The volume is that many cubic millimeters, and the surface area is, wow, a lot of square millimeters. So let's just keep this in mind. If we change the material, the mass should change, but the volume and surface area should stay the same. So 3.37 pounds is what we got now. Let's go back over here and change it. Oh, geez, what just happened there? Don't do that. Let's assign a different material. Right now, let's go with something that we feel like is going to be very different. How about balsa? Balsa is like a very not dense wood. So we'll click balsa, and that's great. So now it should think that this is balsa. We come back to the scales, and what part do we want to measure here? Oh my gosh, it's less than 0.2 of a pound. So, you know, mass over volume gives you density, right? And so you have to use this information to do the calculations for the actual assignment. I hope this helps with the clicking through, so that you can start to manipulate the different materials and take a look at what the mass property analysis kind of tools can do for you. Thanks.